What do you call a baby cat? Kitten. What kind of turtle can't retract into its shell? Sea turtle. Which animal is known to plant thousands of trees across the world? Squirrel. Which animal is able to regrow its limbs if they are lost? Starfish. What shape do the tails of mating dragonflies make? A heart. What color are flamingos when they're born? Gray. Which large herbivorous mammal is known for its horn-like tusks and wrinkled skin? Hippopotamus. How long can camels go without water? Over a week.